everybody. Welcome to Make It Monday. My name is Leslie and I am the Reading Machine Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today I'm going to be going over the contents of our next activity bag with you. This activity bag is about making sound spinners. This is a sound spinner. It doesn't look like much, but it'll make some noise. In your activity bag, you will have the following items. You will have 2 index cards. You will have a piece of string, a craft stick, a piece of foam, a rubber band, and you will have glue dots. I'm going to use tape, okay, but you will have glue dots. Other things that are helpful to make this this project are a ruler. You're gonna have to do some measuring, a pair of scissors, and a marker, a pencil, a pen, colored pencils, whatever you want if you feel like you want to decorate your index cards. So grab those materials and meet me back here. The first thing that we are going to do for this project is to color our index cards or decorate them however you want to. So I'm just gonna do some random stuff like this. The second thing we're gonna do is take our craft stick and we are going to tape our index cards to each side of the craft stick. So that's that part, and this is how this is gonna look. And you'll have some little parts right here sticking out, some part of the craft stick. For our next part, we are going to cut down this craft foam into 2 strips. So it should be, the strips should be 1/2 inch wide. So I'm gonna do my 1/2 inch measurement right here. Okay, there's the 1 inch mark. It's hard to tell from here. And I'm gonna mark the 1/2 inch mark, okay? Then it wants to be 4 inches long, okay? So I'm gonna measure down to 4 inches, and there's 4 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and draw this line here. And this line here to make it straight. And then we're gonna make another strip, same dimension. So we already have our 1/2 inch measured here, so we just need to do another 4 inch in length. Mark it right here, and then we're gonna do this. Again, we're gonna measure, and we're gonna measure. Okay, we got that. And now we are going to cut out these 2 strips. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to fold each of these strips in half, okay? Folding them in half, and then they're going to go around the edge of the craft stick like this. So they're gonna fold around the edge like this. And you can use your glue dots to secure right here and right here, you know? I'm gonna use my tape. Now that we've done those 2 things, we're going to take the rubber band and we're going to stretch it over each end of the craft stick like this. Now this can be kind of tricky. I found when doing this that if it can be hard, the foam can be kind of slippery. So just be patient until you get it on there. So I have mine on there. Went on nice and easily for me this time. It hasn't always. And once you have that, you are going to take your string, you're gonna stick it under this rubber band here, you're gonna stick it under here, and you're gonna do it over here too, and then you're gonna tie it here, and this is just close to the end. This is close to the end of one of the craft sticks, okay? So it's gonna rest nice and easily right there, the knot. Now another thing is that you might want to cut the string a little bit shorter. So if you can kind of take your arm, measure it against your arm, and then maybe cut off 1/4 of it. But I also think it'll work if you just leave it. But I did cut off a little bit of mine, okay? You can measure it using your arm. So then this is our completed sound spinner. So now I'm gonna test this. We've got our sound spinner, and it's really basic how you do this. You just grab your string and swing it. Can you hear that? Pretty cool, huh? There's a lot going on here with vibration. It's this rubber band thing that's going on, and it's really cool. And you can experiment with this by making the string shorter, longer. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can make it as beautiful as you want or as plain as you want, whatever. The cool thing about these projects is there's so many different ways to experiment and learn about things like sound. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for tuning into this this Make It Monday. You will be able to pick up these bags from your local branch and have fun making your sound spinners, and we hope you are having a wonderful summer and that you have a ton of fun with this project. Thank you so much again. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.